Hey, welcome back to the tool bench, B.Mitch Bikes. I made an addition to the tool bench this week, and I just wanted to kind of pull it out and take a look at it with you. I have been, for a long time, I've been using plastic calipers. I have a couple of these, you know, just kind of cheap. You can pick them up online, no problem. They work pretty well. Quite honestly, I've used these for years, but I found lately that as I do other things that need a little bit more precision, I am going to, I'm always looking for something that's a little bit better quality and give me a little bit more precise kind of a measurement. And so I decided to invest in some digital calipers. And these are the Tresna, Tresna 300 millimeter digital calipers, and it took a little bit. These came all the way from China, I believe, and it took about almost a month to get them here because of the shipping and everything. But unpacking them, wow, that's a nice. I wasn't expecting that. That's got a great feel to it. I guess if you're somebody who's used to using these, if you work in a machine shop, or if you're an engineer of some sort and you're used to using these kind of calipers, that's awesome. Coming from my point of view, from plastic ones, these are obviously cheap and light, but this has got great weight to it. It's got a nice feel. Obviously, all precision cut. It has a scale on the back, so you can. It looks like you've got your different kinds of millimeters and conversions in the back here. So if you're into different things, it's got a wheel that helps you do some precision measuring. Obviously, the inside, the outside diameter measurements on the top and the bottom here. And let's turn it on. We're in inches right now. I'm going to push that all the way down. Ooh, and zero it. Boom. Pretty quick and easy. Yeah, I like that. And then we can kind of measure, and obviously very precise as you roll it back and forth here. Yeah, that's easy. That's really cool. And it's got the button here that you convert, and then we would zero it again back down to zero because it's all the way closed. Open, close. Wow, that's pretty cool. I like that. So if you're somebody who needs to, you know, if you're measuring something such as a cog or whatever it might be, we're going to do an inside measurement just to kind of get a precise note on that. 32.18. 16, 17, 19, 32.19 millimeters just on the inside there. Perfect. That's pretty cool. And then if you're obviously doing the outside, you're going to run it to the outside, 36.765, pushing it all the way in, 36.65. There you go. So that's you know, that's a pretty nice feel to that. This thing is weighty. It's solid. I love it. Get back to zero. Cool. Comes in this box. I think mine's going to live in this box because this is a pretty nice piece of equipment, and obviously I don't want to damage it. The battery is preloaded, and looks like you unscrew it from here probably to get into the battery compartment. Comes with operating instructions, a little silicone pack to keep things nice and dry. Gives you brief on maintenance and a few other things, and just kind of gives you all the basic operating instructions here. So I like this. It didn't cost a ton of money. I'll put a link down below. It did take me a few weeks to get. I will admit that I've been waiting for this for about a month or so now, but I'm glad to have it. I'm glad to have it on the bench, and I can't wait to get out and use it on the bikes and whatnot, because, you know, whenever I do something that I'm looking for, you know, really that precise measurement. I work on a lot of older bikes, and sometimes it's, you know, you'll pull this out and you get pretty close and you kind of know what you're looking at, 27.2 or whatnot. But to have something like this that's going to give you just an exact measurement and really, you know, literally kind of zero in on the exact and precise measurement that you need. Sometimes I'm actually you know, filing down to fit something, retrofit something, or bending, you know, a bracket or something like that. And I really want to get a measurement that's going to give me a really tight fit, screw lengths, all that kind of stuff. You know, this is great to have. I'm super psyched to have it. It wasn't that expensive. And I think from the amount of use that I'm going to get, it's well worth the investment. And as I said before, if you're somebody who is using, even if you use tools on a marginal basis, you know, it's worth investing in a little bit better tools, a little bit better quality tool, because it's just going to pay dividends and last for you know, a lifetime. It's the same thing I've said about stuff in the kitchen, stuff in the toolbox, in the garage, or on your bench. Pay a few bit more and just get higher quality products, because it's just going to last, and the experience of using a good quality tool is going to get it's just going to enhance your work. It's going to make it easier to do the work, and you'll feel, I think, better about it. At least I do. So that's why I buy, you know, I search out and I look for high quality tools. So here's the Tresna. This is Tresna Instruments. Like I said, I'll put the links below. Pretty good quality product. I like it. It comes in this nice travel box. Digital calipers, 0 to 150 millimeters. So there we go. Links below. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.